and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I'm Chandrani. In this video we are gonna learn about how to draw a dragon. Yes, and this will be a colorful one, and of course I will add plenty of colors here, and this will be a kind of in usual dragon is kind of fantasy character. See the sketch first. I have explained each and every details how do I sketch the dragon first. So just grab your pen, pencil or tablet, whatever you have, and after that just focus on how I am making this. Okay? Draw a circle, just a rough one, then draw an oval like this. Now draw a circle again. This will be her body part, her belly actually. Now try to connect those two circles that I am doing right now. So this part will be her face. I am mentioning the dragon as a female character. Now as she is relaxing, her hands will be behind her head, as if she is keeping her head on hands and just relaxing. Next, we will draw the legs. There will be 3 fingers like this. Just follow the steps that I am doing. Her ears will be look like a bit of wings. Now it's time to give a background, as this is a fantasy character, so I'm adding few leaves on her head too. These are all your choice. If you want you can add, if you want you can skip too, okay? Here I'm drawing her eyes, bigger eyes, and of course beautiful, as she is a female character. I'm adding her big lashes to more look like female character. Now it's time to fair the sketch. After sketching it properly, now it's time to have some color. So I am adding the color here using lasso tool. I'm just selecting the area where I need to color and with the lasso tool, and then coloring it. Here I am using just simple soft round brush for shading. I'm going to do it colorful, so it's up to you. Whatever you want, you can pick your own favorite color and just color your dragon. Just remember, for shading, apply the darker version of the color for the darker part and apply the lighter version of the color for the lighter part or for the highlighted area. And now I am adding some details, and for this detailing again I am using hard round brush and I am just minimize its size. I am just adding some stroke lines. Was all for today, and I know I'm shooting this at night, so it's 10 o'clock right now and I was busy on my schedule, so I can't be able to record my videos. So now I finally managed some time. If you love to learn art and if you want to know more about art, then please do subscribe my channel and please hit the like button if you like my video. Okay, and let me know your comments and feedbacks in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. You guys are just awesome. Thank you so much for sticking with me this much. And for now, that's all for today. I will be back on my next video. Till then, bye.